Question 19, our last question, has 3 parts.
Part A.
A stone and a piece of paper are dropped together in a vacuum and land at the same time. In a vacuum, there is no air resistance, so the only force is gravity. The acceleration due to gravity is the same for both and does not depend on mass, so they fall together. Part B. A car of mass 1560 kilograms, travelling at 25 meters per second, is brought to rest by a constant force of 3,000 newtons. The change in momentum is mass times v minus u, that is 1560 times 0 minus 25, which is minus 39,000 kilogram meters per second. The impulse, force times time, equals the change in momentum. So the time to stop is the size of the momentum change over the force. 39,000 over 3,000, which is 13 seconds. Part C. Jane's palm is 18.7 centimeters long. To estimate the table's length, she lays her palm end to end along the edge, counts how many palm lengths fit, and multiplies that count by 18.7 centimeters. But the estimate is not accurate, because small gaps or overlaps between placements add up to a cumulative error, and the palm is not a standard, precise measuring tool. Well done. That completes the whole paper.